Introduction to using Copilot in Word. How to open Copilot in Word. Check Microsoft 365 subscription. Ensure that your business has an active, for example, admin have Microsoft 365 E5 subscription, as Copilot is a feature within the Microsoft 365 suite. Access Copilot icon. Look for the Copilot icon, usually located in the ribbon menu of your Word application. Some Copilot experiences will launch automatically when you create a new Word document. Enable Copilot. Click on the Copilot icon to open the assistant and access its features within Word. In chats, you can interact with Copilot by pressing the button in the chat header. During meetings, click the Copilot button to receive AI assistance and access features for real-time summaries and collaboration. By following these steps, you can activate Copilot in Word and leverage its AI-powered capabilities to enhance your writing experience and productivity within the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. Initiate Copilot. Open a new document or navigate to the section where you want to start drafting with Copilot in Word. Activate Draft with Copilot. Look for the Draft with Copilot feature, which appears when creating a new document or line in an existing one. This feature allows you to provide Copilot with a simple sentence or a more complex request, including outlines, notes, or referenced files to use. Provide instructions. In the Compose box, enter a prompt for Copilot, such as write an essay about baseball or create a paragraph about time management. If you have a Copilot for Microsoft 365 lessons, you can use them. Reference your content button to include up to 3 of your existing files as inputs for Copilot. Generate content. Once you proceed, Copilot will generate and display new content based on your instructions. You can choose to keep it, discard it, or ask Copilot to regenerate for a different version. You can also refine Copilot's response by providing instructions like, make this more concise. Introduction to using Copilot in Excel. How to open Copilot in Excel. Accessing Copilot in Excel. To open Copilot in Excel, you need to have a valid Microsoft 365 subscription that supports Copilot features. Install Excel 365 on your desktop or log into the Excel web app using your Microsoft account. Look for the Copilot icon in the Excel Home on ribbon, which grants access to its features. If using desktop Excel, you may need to restart the application and sync your Microsoft 365 settings for the Copilot icon to appear. In the web app, simply refresh the page. Using Copilot in Excel. Once you have access to Copilot, select the Copilot icon in the Excel ribbon to open the chat pane. Enter your prompts or questions in the chat pane to start working with Copilot. Ensure you have an Excel table that includes data in a worksheet before using Copilot. If needed, you can quickly turn a range of cells into an Excel table by formatting it as a table in Excel. Copilot in Excel can suggest various types of formulas to assist users in their data analysis and calculations. Some of the formulas that Copilot can suggest include mathematical formulas. Copilot can suggest basic mathematical formulas for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, simplifying numeric calculations within Excel. Statistical formulas. Users can receive suggestions for statistical formulas like average, sum, count, and other functions commonly used for data analysis and summarization. Logical formulas. Copilot can recommend logical functions such as if, and, or, and not, enabling users to perform conditional evaluations and logical operations in their spreadsheets. Lookup and reference formulas. Users can benefit from Copilot's suggestions for lookup and reference functions like VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, index, and match, facilitating data retrieval and referencing tasks. Financial formulas. Copilot is equipped to suggest financial formulas for tasks like calculating interest rates, loan payments, present value, and future value, supporting financial modeling and analysis. Date and time formulas. Users can receive recommendations for date and time functions such as today, now, date, and time, assisting in managing and manipulating date-related data in Excel. Text formulas. Copilot can provide suggestions for text functions like concatenate, left, right, and lay, helping users manipulate and format text strings within their spreadsheets. Introduction to using Copilot in PowerPoint. How to open Copilot in PowerPoint. Accessing Copilot in PowerPoint. Get a license for Microsoft 365 E3 or E5 and a license for Microsoft Copilot for Microsoft 365. Install the latest version of PowerPoint on your device. Open a new or existing PowerPoint presentation. Click on the Copilot button in the Home tab of the ribbon to activate the feature. Create a presentation. Use the Copilot chat box to input your presentation topic or outline. Choose to create a presentation from a Word document, URL, or existing themes and templates. Follow the prompts to instruct Copilot on how to help you draft the presentation. Edit and refine. Review the draft presentation generated by Copilot. Make any necessary adjustments, additions, or deletions to customize the presentation to your liking. Utilize Copilot to add slides, organize content, add images, transitions, animations, and more. Utilize suggestions. As you type, Copilot will generate relevant suggestions based on context and previous patterns to enhance the attractiveness of your presentation. If the requirements you type do not meet the specifications, Copilot will display several suggestions for you to choose from. Optimize presentation. Maximize Copilot's potential by leveraging word styles for better slide creation, including relevant images, and starting with your organization's template for a consistent theme and design. Introduction to using Copilot in Outlook. How to open Copilot in Outlook. Accessing Copilot in Outlook. Get a license for Microsoft 365 E3 or E5 and a license for Microsoft Copilot for Microsoft 365. Install the new version of Outlook on your device. Open Microsoft New Outlook and navigate to the Home tab. Click on New Email, then navigate to the Message tab and select the Copilot icon on the ribbon. Compose email with Copilot. Click on New Email, then navigate to the Message tab and select the Copilot icon on the ribbon. Start composing an email as you normally would in Outlook. As you type, Copilot will analyze your content and provide real-time suggestions to enhance your email. Copilot can complete sentences, suggest responses based on context, improve readability, offer subject line recommendations, and provide a writing confidence indicator. Review the suggestions provided by Copilot and incorporate the ones that enhance your message by clicking on them to Generate tab. Once generate the email, you can click Keep it the email. Introduction to using Copilot in Teams. How to open Copilot in Teams. Accessing Copilot in Teams. Get a license. Obtain a license for Microsoft 365 E3 or Microsoft 365 E5, along with a license for Microsoft Copilot for Microsoft 365. Admin settings. Admins can choose which Copilot tools to enable or disable in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Enable or disable access for specific users via the Apps section of their account. Access Copilot. In a Teams, access the Copilot tab and click on the Copilot icon to activate its features. Utilize Copilot in various scenarios within Teams, such as in chat, channels, meetings, and even on mobile devices. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.